The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello, welcome back to the English class. I hope all of you are up to date with the videos and the notes provided by your teachers, isn't it? Yes. So today let's learn about conjunctions. Okay. So take page number 68 in your studio. Recall that a linking word joins words, phrases or sentences. These linking words are called as conjunctions. Okay. So the linking words which connects words, phrases and sentences are called as conjunctions. For example, the linking words such as and, or, but, because, etc. are all conjunctions. Yes. So you can see a table there. So there you can see the conjunction and. Then its use and an example. So let's read it. And joins ideas that follow one another. So the use of the conjunction and is to join ideas that follows one another. Okay. And there is one example too. Ranbir was fussy and did not like to eat vegetables. So here the conjunction and joins two sentences. Which are they? Yes, Ranbir was fussy and did not like to eat vegetables. Is it clear for you? Yes. So you want to find out one more example and you should write it there in that column provided. Okay. Yes. Now next conjunction, that is or. Its use. So if there are two options, we use or, the conjunction or, to connect them. For example, you want tea or coffee. Here there are two options, tea and coffee. So we use the linking word or the conjunction or to connect them. You want tea or coffee. Okay. Yes. So you want to find out one more example and you should write it there. Okay. Yes. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions to complete the song. So you can see a song there. There is some blanks and you want to complete it using the suitable conjunctions. Okay. I opened my lunch box at noon. What's there for lunch? Brinjals, rice, dash, some carrot sticks to crunch. So, which is the conjunction there? Yes, it is and. Brinjals, rice and some carrot sticks to crunch. Oranges, bananas, dash an apple to munch. So, oranges, bananas and an apple to munch. Look at Rohan, my best friend. He is always eating dash, drinking either chocolates dash cola. So here we can see two options, eating and drinking. So we use the conjunction, yes, the conjunction or. He is always eating or drinking, either chocolates or cola. Okay, if there are two options, we use the conjunction or to connect them. Okay, so here we use or, eating or drinking chocolates or cola. Okay, is it clear for you? Yes. Alas, good for health is neither. In teams, compose your own tune for the song. Sing it together. So we don't have team to sing it together. So make your own tune and sing it individually. Okay? Yes. Now take the next page. Ranbir is telling his friend about his efforts to eat healthy food. Read their conversation aloud. Ranbir: I don't like papayas, but I still eat them. They are good for my skin and health. Rahul: that's great, Ranbir. I'm also trying to eat more fruits. So does Ranbir like eating papayas? No, he doesn't like to eat papayas. Observe the word but in the statement made by Ranbir. It is a conjunction that links two different ideas or actions. You might have noticed the word but. Okay, so that is a conjunction. But is a conjunction that links two different ideas or actions. I don't like papayas plus I eat them equal I don't like papayas but I eat them. We use the conjunction but to join sentences that express different and contrasting ideas. We use the conjunction but to link two contrasting ideas or actions. Here, Ranbir doesn't like to eat papayas, but he eats them, isn't it? So, both of these are contrasting ideas. Thus, the conjunction but joins these two contrasting ideas or actions. I think it's clear for you, isn't it? Yes. In this example, Ranbir does not like papayas. However, he has to eat them. These are two contrasting actions. So, but in the meaning ennalum nato. He doesn't like to eat papayas, but ennalum he eats them. Okay? Yes. Here are few more examples. So, there are few more examples. So, you want to read that two examples and write one sentence of your own using the word but. So, you want to write one more sentence using the conjunction but and briefly describe the contrast in your ideas. Okay? Yes. Then we usually use a comma before but in a sentence. Then one more thing, when we use but in a sentence or when we use but to connect two contrasting sentences, we have to put a comma after the first sentence. For example, I like fried food, comma, but I know that too much of it is bad for health. The next one, Yazan likes the rains, comma, but the roads get very dirty during the rains. So when we use but to connect two contrasting sentences, we want to put a comma after the first sentence, that is before the conjunction but. Okay? Yes. Next conjunction is because. Okay? So take page number 72 in your studio. Ranbir says, I eat papaya plus it is good for my health equals I eat papaya because it is good for my health. Observe that the word because expresses the reasons for Ranbir eating the papayas though he doesn't like them. You might have noticed the word because. Because is a conjunction that expresses reasons for Ranbir eating the papayas though he doesn't like them. So he eats papaya because it is good for his health. Okay. Because the meaning karanam. Okay. So Ranbir doesn't like to eat papaya, but he eats them because karanam it is good for his health. Okay. Yes. So we use the conjunction because to convey a reason for an event or idea. So we use the conjunction because to convey a reason for an event or an idea. Okay. Yes. Here are more examples of sentences using because. So you have to read them and then you have to write a sentence of your own using because. Briefly describe the reasons conveyed. Okay. So is it clear for you? Yes. So today we have discussed about or we have learned about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Yes. Conjunctions are the linking words which connects words, phrases or sentences. And we discussed about the conjunctions and, or, but and because. Isn't it? Yes. We use the conjunction and to join ideas that follow one another. Okay? Yes. And we use the conjunction or to join the two options. Okay. Eating or drinking. Chocolate or cola. Tea or coffee. Okay. Yes. Then next one is but. The conjunction but is used to join the sentences that expresses contrasting ideas or actions. Okay. Yes. And the last one is because. The conjunction because is used to convey reasons for an event or idea. I hope all of you understood about what are conjunctions and their uses, isn't it? Yes. So read the studio very well and write the homeworks. Okay. Write the homeworks in your studio and send it to your teacher. Okay. So stay happy and healthy. Okay. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.